also want how I created this awesome comic book like this using just AI tools and Canva. Yes, it's completely AI-powered. From scripting to designing. If you're into storytelling, comics, or creative AI, you're going to love this tutorial. So let's get started. The first step was planning the story. I used ChatGPT to generate the entire script for my comic. I just gave it a basic idea, the plot, characters, and setting, and it helped me create a fun and structured storyline. You can customize it further based on your genre: action, fantasy, comedy, anything. Once my script was ready, I went to Leonardo AI to bring my characters and scenes to life. I paste my prompt here, and you can select styles, size, according to your need. Now simply click on Generate. Generate images according to our prompt and click on Download. Likewise, we will generate our rest of the picture. Now it was time to assemble everything inside Canva. I created a video project so I could animate the comic later. I imported all the AI-generated images and started placing them one by one to match my script. Then I added text boxes for dialogues and narration. Canva has a lot of fonts that look comic style, like Comic Noir or Luckiest Guy, perfect for this type of project. To make it more fun and expressive, I added thinking clouds and speech bubbles from Canva's Elements tab. You can find a variety of comic shapes, just search for Comic Bubble or Speech Cloud and drag them onto your image. Likewise, I will generate all my scenes. My comic book was ready to share. And that's how I made an AI-powered comic book, using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Canva. I hope this inspires you to try your own. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.